Reading long vowel sound. Long U sound. Let's read, children. K, yub. K, yub. Cube. T, yub. T, yub. Tube. L, yub. L, yub. Lube. Cube. Tube. Lube. Now it's your turn. B, your. B, your. Pure. K, your. K, your. Cure. S, your. S, your. Sure. Pure. Cure. Sure. Now it's your turn. Good job. D, you. D, you. Do. P, you. P, you. Pew. F, you. F, you. Few. You. You. New. Do. Pew. Few. New. Now it's your turn. That's great. K, you. K, you. Q. D, you. D, you. Do. In this word, the letter H is a silent letter, so you will read it or pronounce it as you. You. Stat, you. Stat, you. Statue. Let's read. Q, do, you, statue. Now it's your turn, children. Good job. T, yun. T, yun. Tune. D, yun. D, yun. Dune. Tune. Dune. Now it's your turn. Good job. Yule. Yule. Mule. Mute. 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 Mule. Mute. Your turn. That's great. You are awesome.